How to enable the accessibility menu shortcut for Vivo phones with Android 14 Origin OS 4. Let's go ahead and get started. To enable this feature, use the quick panel access and tap on the settings icon right here. Once in this section here, you'll want to go down until you see shortcuts and accessibility, this one right there. From here now, you'll see this part there, and of course, you're going to go down until you see accessibility right there. Now that you're here, again, go down some more until you see accessibility menu. Once you're here, you can turn on the shortcut, and that's what you need to do in order to get the quick access, and of course, press allow. Now here now, you can go ahead and swipe up a little bit just to get a view of what's what, press got it, and then just come here to shortcut selection. This is how you can also access the shortcut. So instead of just having this here, you can tap on this, the accessibility settings right there, and that'll take you into where you can change the location, whether it's this here or the floating icon, which is this one right here, okay? It's up to you to make that decision. Then on top of that here, while in this little window here, if you pull it up a little bit, you will also notice the hold volume keys there. So if you're using the swipe gestures, you can have this on and press down on the volume keys together to access it, okay? So what's good about this is when you are here, wherever you are, and once you pull this up, you'll get access to the power, assistant, volume, brightness, and quick access, notifications, and also be able to perform a screenshot with these functions here as to whatever it is that you're viewing. So it's a really cool set of features, and you can also come back and turn that off if you don't want it. Go here, and then just going back into the menu section here and simply just turn it off, all right? Like and sub.